Creating engaging video content is essential for content creators who want to build and maintain a loyal audience. Whether you're just starting out or you're an experienced creator, there are a few key principles to keep in mind when it comes to crafting compelling video content. One of the most important aspects of creating engaging video content is strong visuals. This includes using high-quality images, graphics, and footage, as well as incorporating animation and special effects as appropriate. It's also important to consider the overall aesthetic of your videos, including elements such as color scheme, lighting, and composition. By focusing on these visual elements, you can help ensure that your videos are visually appealing and hold the viewer's attention. In addition to strong visuals, telling a compelling story is crucial for creating engaging video content. This can be as simple as outlining a clear beginning, middle, and end to your videos, or it can involve more complex elements such as character development and plot twists. Regardless of the specific approach you take, it's important to keep your audience in mind and strive to create a narrative that is interesting and compelling. Using music and sound effects effectively can also play a big role in creating engaging video content. The right music can set the tone for your video and help to draw viewers in, while sound effects can add depth and realism to your content. When choosing music and sound effects, it's important to consider the overall mood and theme of your video, as well as how they will work together to create a cohesive experience for the viewer. In addition to these technical considerations, there are also a few practical tips that can help you create engaging video content. For example, it's important to consider the length of your videos, as shorter videos are generally more likely to be watched all the way through than longer ones. It's also a good idea to use descriptive and attention-grabbing titles, as well as engaging thumbnails, to help draw viewers in and encourage them to watch your videos. One way to make your video content more engaging is to incorporate interactive elements. This could include things like quizzes, polls, or call-to-action buttons that encourage viewers to engage with your content in some way. By giving viewers a way to actively participate in your videos, you can create a more immersive and enjoyable experience for them. Another way to make your video content more engaging is to create a sense of community around your channel. This can be as simple as responding to comments and interacting with your viewers, or it can involve more elaborate efforts such as hosting live streams or creating a Discord server for your community. By building a sense of connection and belonging among your viewers, you can create a more loyal and engaged audience. Incorporating humor and personality into your video content can also be a great way to make it more engaging. While it's important to be professional, it's also okay to have fun and show your personality in your videos. By being authentic and relatable, you can create a more engaging and enjoyable experience for your viewers. Finally, it's worth remembering that your audience is constantly evolving, and what worked for you in the past may not necessarily work for you in the future. To stay relevant and engaging, it's important to stay up to date with the latest trends and to be willing to adapt your content as needed. This could involve experimenting with new formats, incorporating new technologies, or simply trying out new ideas. By keeping your content fresh and current, you can help ensure that your videos remain engaging and relevant to your audience.